Must we finish all the food?
Yes, we must.
Could you help me with this math problem?
No, I couldn't.
Might she be at home?
Yes, she might.
Would it be better to take the train?
Yes, it would.
May I use your phone?
No, you may not.
Will he come to the party?
No, he won't.
Can you lift that heavy box?
Yes, I can.
Should we wait for them?
No, we shouldn't.
Must I wear a uniform to school?
Yes, you must.
Could you pass me the salt, please?
Yes, I could.
Might they arrive early?
Yes, they might.
Would you like some more coffee?
No, I wouldn't.
May I borrow your pen?
Yes, you may.
Will she finish her project on time?
No, she won't.
Can he solve this puzzle?
Yes, he can.
Should they bring their passports?
Yes, they should.
Must I wear a helmet while biking?
Yes, you must.
Could we leave early if we finish our work?
No, we couldn't.
Swim?
Yes, I can.
Should I bring an umbrella?
Yes, you should.
Must we finish this today?
No, we mustn't.
Could he come to the party?
No, he couldn't.
Might it snow tomorrow?
Yes, it might.
Would it be okay to borrow your book?
Yes, it would.
May I leave early?
No, you may not.
Will they come to the meeting?
Yes, they will.
Can she play the guitar?
No, she can't.
Should we start now?
Yes, we should.
Must he wear a tie?
No, he mustn't.
Could they help us?
Yes, they could.
Might it rain later?
Yes, it might.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, I would.
May we go outside?
No, you may not.
Will she be there on time?
Yes, she will.
Can you speak Spanish?
No, I can't.
Should I wait here?
No, you shouldn't.
Must we finish?
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Emily.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
What time is it?
It's 2 o'clock.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
Can you swim?
No, I can't swim.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is spaghetti.
What's the weather like today?
It's raining outside.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Where do you live?
I live in New York City.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Whiskers.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is autumn.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook spaghetti.
Do you have any children? Do you have any children?
No, I don't have any children.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream.
What's your favorite type of music?
My favorite type of music is pop.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I love dancing.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is strawberries.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is water.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive a car.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog.
What's your favorite board game?
My favorite board game is Scrabble.
Do you have any allergies?
Yes, I'm allergic to peanuts.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I enjoy going for walks.
What's your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place to visit is Paris.
Do you have any tattoos?
No, I don't have any tattoos.
What's your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is an Italian one.
What's your favorite candy?
My favorite candy is chocolate.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak Spanish.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is history.
What's your favorite country?
My favorite country is Japan.
Do you have any special talents?
Yes, I can juggle.
What's your favorite type of movie?
My favorite type of movie is comedy.
What's your favorite place to relax?
My favorite place to relax is my backyard.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite ice cream flavor is vanilla.